Today is day number 21 of the YouTube challenge, and I want to talk to you about the best way to market and promote a book. So, when you talk about a book, the most conventional way of getting a book out there once it's complete is to put it on Amazon. So, here's my book on Amazon. It sells for about 20 bucks. The problem with Amazon is that Amazon will not give you the names, addresses, or email addresses of anyone who purchased your book. So you have no way of following up on all of the people who buy your book. And that is a major drawback of Amazon. You sell your book, and it's great to try to build up the number of reviews because that builds credibility for your book. So you should always, whenever someone comments and likes your book, you should ask them for a review. Makes a big difference, but you do not want to sell your book on Amazon. What you want to do is build your own e-commerce website that's full of different articles, video blogs, podcasts, you name it, with one principal purpose: selling your book. You can download a free chapter for free. I sell the hardcover book for $26.99, and we fulfill the orders from our law firm. So I sign every book with a little notation. I individualize it with the name of the person who's buying it. And when we fulfill the order from my office, we put it in a custom gift wrapped, bubble wrapped package, and I include past editions of my print newsletter. Now, why do we do this? Because what we want to do is follow up with every person who gets the book, because for us, the purchaser of a book is a prospective referral partner. But if we're selling the book on Amazon, that's $27 and accomplishes really very little. When you follow up on the lead, so for example, we'll mail out the book. We will ask the person for permission, the purchaser for permission to enter them into our email newsletter campaign, and we will ask if they would like our monthly print newsletter called Lawyer Alert. So from 2011, I've been doing a monthly print newsletter. Many of the people who buy the book are in the newsletter campaign. They will get that. And I use the monthly newsletter as a great way of staying top of mind with different referral partners, specifically lawyers in New York State who can refer medical malpractice actions. So the best way of promoting a book is through a standalone website like this one. All the orders are fulfilled by e-commerce. So when someone places an order, all the data goes into my CRM, Infusionsoft. It generates, there is a merchant bank commerce site where the money is deposited in the bank account. I make about $4,000 a year on sales. The royalties that are sold through Amazon, there's money from that, but it's not much. So the actual amount of money that you'll make from a book is not much, but the notoriety and celebrity status that you build and all the different relationships with people who don't know you is invaluable. So the book, and which, by the way, I recommend a hardcover book when you're going business to business, because a hardcover book will have a certain gravitas, a seriousness that just doesn't exist with the softcover book. So what you're doing is you're building a campaign of people, and you're marketing your business with a book, and you're getting people to sort of buy into the book. So my book was made in 2013. Over the last 7 years, it's now in 3 law schools. My goal is to get it in all 15 of the law schools in New York State. And I pretty much give it away whenever everyone asks for it, because the goal is just to get it out there. My goal really among New York plaintiff lawyers is to get this book into the hands of as many of them as possible, and to use it as sort of a bridge to build relationships with people who don't know me. That's how I use the book to market practice, and that is the best way to use a book to build a law firm. That's it for today. I'll see you tomorrow.